I'm Farzana Sharin, bearing ID 181352340 from this section. Here is our poster presentation. Our group and me are presenting frequency distribution. Now, what is frequency distribution? Frequency distribution is a grouping of data into mutually exclusive categories or in classes that showing the number of observation in each class and classes. Now, in statistics, frequency distribution is a list table or displays the frequency of various outcomes in a sample. There are two types of frequency distribution. One is quantitative and another is qualitative. In quantitative, we get histogram, frequency polygon, ogive curve or cumulative frequency curve. And in qualitative, we get bar diagram and pie chart. This is a short introduction of frequency distribution. My next team member will describe the next part of this presentation. Thank you so much.
My name is Asma Husna by ID number 181352404. I am explaining objective parts of frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is a way of organized data, notably to show result of an election, income of people for a certain region, sales of product within a certain period. By Cartesian frequency distribution, we can measure the rare extreme values, which appear as outlined in a histogram. In real life, we come across numerical data in magazines, newspapers, and televisions regarding different types of lines, increase or decrease of population. So, the objectives of frequency is so much important for real life and study life. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Murul. My ID number is 181352490 from section B. Here I am describing about the methods of frequency distribution. For the methods, we use an example. For example, we get 30 people's age. We have to distribute this frequency. So we use two steps for this. In step 1, we get an equation, and the equation is 2 to the power k is greater than equal n. Here k is number of classes and n is number of observation. We have 30 data in the example. So 2 raised in the fifth power is 32. So we get 5. Answer 5. So at least we can use 5 classes for the distribution. And in step 2, we get the equation I is greater than equal h minus l divided k. Here h is the highest value, l is the lowest value, k number of classes and I class interval. From the example we get a is highest value 40, l lowest value 15 and k number of classes 5. So we get the class interval 5. That's all it about methods of frequency distribution and describing. So my next team member will describe the next topic.
Hello, I am Arpita. My ID number is 181352391. Today's our topic is the frequency distribution in statistics. Already my group members has been told what is the frequency distribution. Now I am going to tell about the analytical tools for organizing the frequency distribution. We have to use a art paper, a laptop or computer where the Microsoft Excel has been remained, pen, scale, scissor, all of my friends as it's a group work, so their contribution is so much important to me. That's all. Thank you very much.
My name is Mahmoud. My ID is 181352319. After calculating I plus number of difference, class difference and k number of classes, we can make distribution table. For this table we need 5 columns. Here are the 5 columns. You can see in the first column there is age of people, in the second column is tally, and third is frequency, fourth is midpoint, and 5 is cumulative frequency. But the cumulative frequency is divided into 2, less than and more than. First of all, age of people where we put it the classes. The class difference is 5, so 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and so on. In the second column we can see the tallies. Tallies we can find from the ungrouping data. We can find how many people in these classes. We show it into the tally. After creating the tally, we can calculate the frequency as usual. And after that, we have to calculate the midpoints. So how can we get the midpoints? For midpoints, we have to calculate the lower bound and the higher bound of classes and divided by 2. Here is 15 plus 25, 20 is equal to 35, is divided by 2 is 17.5. And the second is 20 plus 25 is 45 divided by 22.2. This is how we can find the midpoints. And the last, we can find the cumulative frequency less than and more than. Less than is the class difference is 20. How many people is less than 20? There is 8 people. And how many people is more than 50 is 30. This is how we can find the cumulative frequency. This is how we create the whole table for the frequency polygon graph. Our next teammate will calculate the graph and show it to you. Thank you. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Abdul Rahman. My ID is 181352466. Today our topic is frequency distribution. I am describing you this graphs. So this graphs, first one frequency and midpoint is come from this table. So there are first midpoint is 17.5, 2.5 and many on. And the frequency 8, 32 and 13. So there is. So first is 17.5 there and 2.5 and there 8 is there. That's the means the graph. And the last one is conclusion is in constellation frequency distribution help us to organize and understand that data numerically charting is a means to represent frequency visually. Thank you.